I was working as a staff nurse in Institute of Neuroscience, Kolkata for last 8 years. I was working in a ICU and I was looking forward for a job in abroad. Then I came to know about Kerala Nightingale. They provide visa to Canada where we can study and stay so that we can attain a job there. I contacted them on the last October 2016, and now in February I got the visa to go Canada and study a course there. I think that this course will help me to become a registered nurse in Canada, so that my life will get settled down there. I thank Thomas sir and Kerala Nightingale team to provide such a helpful work for nurses. I also request Thomas sir to open a agency in Kolkata where a lot of my friends are interested to join in the same program. I thank Kerala Nightingale and Thomas sir to do such a helpful work for me.